Before buying ClickUp, there are a few important things you need to know. While it's a popular tool that can help with managing tasks, teams, and projects, it's not always the best fit for everyone, especially when compared to other accounting software. Let's dive in so you can make an informed decision. The first thing you should know is that ClickUp has a steep learning curve. While it promises to streamline your work processes, it's not exactly intuitive, especially for new users. If you're looking for something that's easy to pick up and use, you might want to consider alternatives like FreshBooks or QuickBooks, which offer simpler interfaces. Next thing to consider is that ClickUp can be overwhelming. With so many features packed into one platform, it's easy to get lost or feel like you're using more tools than necessary. For teams focused on accounting, platforms like Xero or Wave might be more focused on what you need without all the extra bells and whistles. The third thing you'll want to note is ClickUp's pricing structure. While it offers a free plan, you'll quickly realize that most of the advanced features, such as reporting and integrations, are locked behind a paid tier. Depending on the size of your team and your specific needs, this can get expensive. Compare this to tools like Zoho Books or QuickBooks, which have more affordable pricing for the basic accounting features. The fourth thing to remember is ClickUp's integration options. While it integrates with a number of third-party apps, it doesn't always play well with every accounting software. If you're already using specific accounting tools like Sage or Xero, compatibility could be an issue. On the other hand, software like FreshBooks offers seamless integrations right out of the box. Another point to keep in mind is ClickUp's mobile experience. While it offers mobile apps, they can be a bit clunky compared to other software. If you're managing accounting on the go, you may find other apps like QuickBooks or FreshBooks better optimized for mobile use. The sixth thing you should be aware of is ClickUp's customer support. While the support team is responsive, there have been reports of slow response times, especially during peak hours. If you value fast customer service, you might find more efficient support with platforms like QuickBooks or Xero, which offer 24/7 assistance. The seventh thing to note is ClickUp's time tracking features. While it does offer time tracking, it's not as robust as what you might find in dedicated accounting software. FreshBooks and Harvest are more comprehensive in this area, providing better features for time and expense tracking that's critical for accounting needs. Next thing to consider is scalability. ClickUp is a great option for small teams, but if you're running a larger organization, it can become difficult to manage multiple departments or complex accounting needs. For growing businesses, software like QuickBooks or Xero offers better scalability and more specialized features tailored to bigger teams. The ninth thing to consider is customization. ClickUp offers a fair amount of customization for project management, but it's not as flexible when it comes to accounting-specific workflows. Accounting software like Wave and QuickBooks allows for deeper customization in terms of invoicing, reports, and tax features. The 10th thing you need to know is that ClickUp offers reporting, but it's not always ideal for detailed financial reporting. While you can create reports for tasks, financial statements and tax reports aren't as polished or easy to generate as they are in dedicated accounting platforms like QuickBooks or FreshBooks. Another important thing to keep in mind is the mobile app experience. While ClickUp's app is functional, it doesn't provide the same level of efficiency as accounting-focused apps. With accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero, you can handle invoicing, payments, and more from your phone with ease. Lastly, ClickUp is great for overall project and task management, but it's not specifically built for accounting needs. If accounting is your primary focus, it might not provide all the tools you need without significant workarounds. For more straightforward accounting solutions, tools like QuickBooks or FreshBooks offer more industry-standard features that cater directly to accounting needs. ClickUp can be a great option for team management and overall productivity, but if you're looking for a dedicated accounting tool with fewer headaches, you might want to check out our recommended solution. You can even try it for free to see if it's the better fit for your needs.